The chat private messenger recently. It's getting some traction. It's a reliable, decentralized instant messenger that is easy and fun to use for friends, family, groups, and organizations. It's developed by a dedicated FOSS contributor community. Anonymous instant onboarding with a phone number, without a phone number, email, other private data, flexible, reliable, secure, sovereign, fully open source, free software built on internet standards. So yeah, that's basically, let's take a look at it. And then you can just instantly start using it. There is your profile. You can add a profile or create new profile, and then set a name. And then it will run on this test run thingy. So basically you can just go and create. I already created with email. But yeah, this is kind of the chat. Kind of like, you can then invite friends. Kind of similar to Telegram in here. And then you can just start chat, new contact, or share invite link. So that's how you add friends in here. So yeah, something like that. And then you can just start to establish end-to-end encryption. You may need to contact in person and scan their QR code to introduce them. So this is the only way. But yeah, kind of, very easy open source free messenger, which you can use with your close friends.